How to connect WhatsApp to gallery on Android phone. First open WhatsApp and then click this three points here in the top corner and now click settings and here click account and then click privacy, this one, and now just click wait, where is it? Not privacy, sorry, click this one here, chats, and scroll down and here we'll find media visibility. We'll find it like that. All you need to do, just enable it, and now your WhatsApp have been connected with your gallery. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like, and please don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.